Meteorologist Sally Showman's here, and this is kind of a warm-up to what we'll see in the coming days.
It is, exactly. We've got to kind of get revved up here. We've got light rain outside. We're going to start at Salties on the Columbia. This is actually what it looks like most locations west of the Cascades this afternoon. 43 degrees there with 0.02 of an inch of rainfall and rain on the lens. Look at Lake Oswego High School. Lots of raindrops on the lens there. Woo, it's fuzzy in the background now because of it, and only 39 degrees. Wet roads down in McMinnville, and one last stop, Cannon Beach. 0.14 of an inch of rain so far today. More than 0.2 of an inch out at Astoria. So that's definitely the wettest location I could find on our pinpoint WeatherNet sites. Light rain coming down across the Willamette Valley right now, and you can see there's also snow coming down in the Cascades. A few inches today of snow is fair to say, 2 to 5 inches likely. But again, that's just the warm-up before a lot of snow arrives tomorrow. Here's another round of showers that's arriving in Astoria as we speak. That will all push inland as the day wears on. Rainfall totals so far not very impressive. 0.04 of an inch in Vancouver, 0.02 of an inch in Portland, and just a trace in Scappoose. Temperatures outside in the low to mid-40s, 42 degrees for Beaverton. It's 43 degrees in Vancouver and Gresham this afternoon. And through the Gorge, mid-40s, 47 in the Dalles, 37 degrees in Bend, and mid-40s out at the coast. So here we'll get through this round of showers. You can see coming on into our skies, and then this is the round of rain that arrives overnight to the north of us and during the day tomorrow for much of us around the Portland metro area. So Friday's storm, what to expect? The I-5 corridor, quite breezy, gusts up to 35 miles per hour, and heavy rain. This could mean a half an inch or more of rainfall for the valley. How about at the coast? Gusts of 55 miles per hour at the headlands and our beaches. Heavy rain and surf, and it will be high. And then in the Cascades, rain and snow early on, becoming all snow later on Friday. So here's the timing on this system. This is tonight at 9 o'clock. We're starting to dry out, just isolated showers around, and look to our north. This is where the brunt of the rainfall activity is in the morning. All of this yellow indicates heavy rain along the coast there, and then it starts to move down to the south. Still, as we've been advertising all week long, the wettest part of the day looks to be midday tomorrow, and then we switch over to scattered showers by tomorrow evening, I think even by the evening commute. But snow still coming down in the Cascades. We're talking a couple feet of snow possible. Saturday really doesn't look all that bad. Start out with a few showers, and I think we'll even get some sun breaks in there. And Sunday doesn't look all that bad either. I think we're mainly dry for the day on Sunday. So there's a little bit of good news. How about raincast? Well, it's giving us more than an inch of rain between now and Saturday at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Much more out along the coast and less as you head south in the Willamette Valley. Winter storm watch goes into effect tomorrow morning through Friday night. 4 to 8 inches possible in the Coast Range above 2,500 feet, and again 1 to 2 feet of snow in the Cascades, along with an avalanche watch in effect tomorrow. Rain at times out along the coast today. Temperatures in the mid-40s. Mid-40s also for the I-5 corridor. Mostly cloudy with light rain from time to time. Scattered rain and snow showers east of the Cascades. A high of just 39 today in Bend. You won't be warming much more than you're already at in the upper 30s right now. 33 degrees at Government Camp, and 2 to 5 inches of snow just today, and through the Gorge, light rain at times. Back around the metro area, mostly cloudy, rain at times. Temperatures topping out between about 45 and 47 degrees. Tomorrow, very wet and breezy. Sun and showers on Saturday, partly sunny on Sunday, before another round of rain arrives Sunday night.